So here we are in the beginnings of the forest Argonne. Those who knows, but this forest is nearby Verdun and it's famous because of the Great War. It was one of the biggest battles, fortifications and everything. But yeah, that's it. And today about the bike build. So what I have bought for this machine. So I have bought, and the reason why, look, let's start in here. Parkbusters. It's Alpha Omega for your bike because the plastic one you're gonna screw it for sure very quickly. And this is a reliable brand, very good hand protection and everything. After obviously they are mounted on both sides logically, but after I bought this Enduristan handlebar bag, I bought it because it's straight away waterproof and it's firm shape, so it's good. I like it, and plus it has the sleeve, waterproof sleeve for a phone and everything, so it's good as well. Then the crash bars, they are the most essential thing maybe, because the radiators are exposed on this machine, and even if you scratch the bloody plastic and you want to change it, it's expensive. These kind of bikes are expensive in this category. So the crash bars from Outback Motortech solve your problem. And I got the engine case. You can see how protected very well it is in the down there. And the crash bars, the main one, which are strongly attached to that. Then we go here. We have Outrider aluminium radiator guard. Is when you make a hole in the radiator, the travel it over, you need to pull or take the lift. Then simple stickers, Showa protectors. It's a thick nylon and it's good against the chipping on the road, like the trucks and all this stuff, so it may be useful. Then obviously we have the headlight protectors, and it's up to you if you want to pay the headlight 1,000 euro or just pay 30 euros the headlight protector. It's up to you guys. They are not nice, yes, because they are simple mounting with the velcros, but you don't need to screw anything, so it's actually quite good in my point of view. Here I have got Kriega. It's a like pull strap, so if you need to pull it from somewhere, it may be useful. And here downstairs we have the sliders from RNG. You know very well it's better to slide over this than on your fork, or snap something on your fork, so it's a kind of essential things as well. Obviously the skid plate, it comes, I bought the combo. The skid plate is proper one, not the paper thin one. From this side we have the crash bars, obviously, the another side. Here we have the brake saver. It's not the most important part maybe, but sometimes the branches sticks in here, or you can't brake, or you're braking slowly and you destroy the brakes. So it's up to you, so you choose. Obviously the pannier racks from the Outback Motortech as well. And yeah, I mean, like when you not after put the luggage in here instead here on the top, it's different, the balance is different. After the another thing is Outrider. Now somebody was asking me, why is that for, man? First of all, you have a bigger surface, yeah, so, and it looks nice obviously as well, as an aesthetic issue as well, and bigger surface. And third, you have plenty of latching port, like where you can put the straps on. That's good already. So the surface, obviously you can put more things a little bit, and a little bit more organized than on little rack, which is falling all apart on the side. So this can solve your problem. Yes, we have obviously the central stand, that's from OEM Honda. quick shifter. I can't tell you how good it is until you don't try it. You just quick clack, 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 and you shift between 3/4. You don't need to use clutch at all. I put it on a soft side, and it's good. Another thing what I'm gonna buy, it's the cool covers mesh on my here, because it's air permeable, so it's cool your butt. You know how it is sweaty when you are riding in the summer. Many things going to come later on. The rear RNG sliders, I don't have them yet. I'm gonna buy them as well. And yeah, let's go. That's it.